Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you guys how to set Digit to save based on spending habits. Digit can automatically adjust how much it saves based on your personal spending patterns. Now this feature ensures that savings are made when you can afford it, and it's slowed down when your expenses are higher. Let me show you how to set it up. So first you got to do is to open the Digit app. So go ahead and launch the app on your mobile device and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, go to settings or profile menu. So just tap the profile icon or the menu button, usually in the top right corner. Once you're there, tap saving preferences or smart saving settings. So you just look for the option that manages Digit's smart saving behavior. Then enable spend based savings or similar option. If it's available, you want to turn on the option that allows Digit to analyze your spending patterns. This tells the app to consider your current and recent expenses before moving money. Review linked transactions. You can make sure that your checking account is linked properly, as Digit needs to track your spending activities to make this work efficiently. You also need to monitor and adjust as needed. So over time, if you notice Digit is saving too aggressively or too slowly, you can revisit these settings to fine-tune exactly how it interprets your spending behavior. Using spend-based savings helps Digit to work in sync with your lifestyle, making sure that you save what you can and when you can. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.